Hey everybody, this is Florida Trains and Things. This weekend I went out to the Okeefenokee Festival in Folkston, Georgia. I went over for the car show that they were holding and the craft festival, but the opportunity spontaneously presented itself for a Railwatch. So I took some video. I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share to keep these videos coming your way.
Yeah, I knew they had a slow down. You wouldn't want him coming through at 69. Probably had a slow down. They got some new engines, 300.
Hey you! Yeah, you! If you enjoyed this video and want me to continue making these videos, leave a like, leave a comment, share this video, even click that little subscribe button. Come on, you know you wanna.